Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Let's begin by soaking in semolina with a little water, and we are going to add in few drops of oil. Mix it all well until everything is nicely combined. All quantities are displayed in the description box below. Do check it out. Keep it aside for 2 minutes. In a bowl, let's add plain flour, salt, oil, water, and mix it. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. That means a lot. I'm using plain flour. You can use wheat flour if you want. Now add in the soaked semolina and mix it until everything is well combined. If you notice, I am still mixing it kind of dry as you want a stiff dough. Make sure you add water little by little while you knead it. The dough needs to be stiff like this one. Once you are satisfied with the kneading, roll it into a ball, add a little bit of oil and cover it with a wet cloth and keep it aside. Here I am rolling the dough and making it 2 parts. Now make small balls of this rolled dough. Repeat the same with the remaining dough. Now press it into small discs. Grease the rolling pin. Now let's take a disc and roll it into a small puri shape. Make sure to roll evenly on all sides. Do not use force. Be gentle while you are rolling. That will make the puri puff. So the puri is ready. Now let's fry them. I have already heated my oil. To check the oil temperature is right, just add the kneaded flour in the pan. Once it floats, the oil is ready for frying the puris. Add the puri, wait until the puri floats on top. Then simply add slight pressure on all the sides of the puri and in between. It will help the puri to puff up. Then turn the puri and cook it on the other side. And the puri is ready. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amor amor.